Is it ironic for a plus size girl to give weight loss advice? I guess we'll find out. Good poop, and then all the weight will be gone. All the weight. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Losing weight can be so hard, guys, but I feel like we make it even harder on ourselves. When we make it harder on ourselves, we tend to give up. So what the hell am I doing wrong, you might ask? Well, I'm glad you asked, because if you didn't ask, this video really wouldn't have made sense. Out of nowhere, I'm just giving this advice. So I made a list of the most common mistakes people make when they're trying to lose weight.
What are you doing?
I'm starting a diet on Monday, duh. I can't have this in the house, so I have to eat it all. Number 1, when you eat everything from the pantry or fridge, that is bad when you're gonna start a diet. You don't have to do this, guys. Oh my God. I understand why you do it. You don't want to see it. If you don't see it, you're not tempted. Instead, just leave it there. Someone else in your house might want to eat it too. Or say you're having like a cheat meal, or it's okay to have a Twinkie or a ho-ho or whatever the snack may be once in a while. It's when you overindulge that it becomes a problem. Number 2, I am so guilty of this one, guys. Overworking out on the first day. Either on the first day or the first week, but when you start a workout plan, when you start a diet, when you start a life change, you are pumped, you are motivated, you're like, let's do this. And you have so much energy and you're like, yeah, let's go, let's do this. And then you just use up all your energy on day 1 and then you can't move on day 2. Even though you are super pumped on day 1, really try to take it easy. Your body will feel it immediately. Even if you do a small workout, you will feel sore the next day. So just baby steps until you become to the level that you could work out like crazy on one day and feel great the next day. Trust me, you'll get there. Just not all the first week. Just 3 more days and I'll be able to eat solid food again. Ugh, I'm so weak. I'm so weak. The cleanse one, guys. The cleanse one. So many people think in order to start a diet, you need to cleanse out all the toxins first. Everything will be cleansed. And I could start fresh. If I drink all these juices for 3 days, by the 4th day, I'm not even gonna want food. I'm gonna eat very lightly. No, no, no. You do not need a cleanse. Your body will cleanse itself once you start eating healthy. There's cleanses that you could buy. Those are so expensive. Cleanses are really not a good idea because they can leave you discouraged. Sometimes when you basically starve yourself for 3 days, on the 4th day, you don't want to continue to eat healthy and you rather just eat a hamburger, and then you feel totally derailed from what you were trying to start in the first place. Number 4, we're all guilty of this one, weighing yourself constantly. Now, I know in the video I over-exaggerated a bit, but we still do it. We weigh ourselves every day, like all of a sudden, it's just gonna like dramatically go down our weight. You really should be weighing yourself maybe once a week. That's like a good indicator of how your week went. When we weigh ourselves every day, we sometimes get discouraged because so good. I'm gonna eat all of you. All of you, so good. Number 5, overdoing it on cheat days. One thing I learned from years ago from watching The Biggest Loser from Jillian Michaels was you shouldn't have a cheat day. You should have a cheat meal. That way you reduce the risk of overdoing it that day. You may have a big hamburger and fries, but the rest of your day looks great. You're eating a great breakfast, you're eating great snacks, you're eating great meals. If you do a cheat day, you might be like, oh my God, it's my cheat day. Okay, so for lunch, I'm gonna have pizza. For dinner, I'm gonna have pasta. For lunch, you just totally ruined the progress that you're making because you overdo it on your cheat days. So instead of having a cheat day, try having a cheat meal. Something that will help you keep going and you feel like you're not depriving yourself from enjoying all the yummy good foods in the world. I lose 2 pounds every week. I will lose only 8 pounds in a month? No. I should lose 2 pounds every day. So 2 pounds every day for just a month would make me lose 56 pounds. Oh my God, I don't even need to lose that much. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lose 2 pounds every day for like even less than a month because I don't need to lose that much. Number 6, setting unrealistic expectations. Yep, that was me for many years. And setting unrealistic expectations doesn't necessarily have to be with how much weight you lose. It could be with how much you exercise. Let's think, I have 2 kids under 5. We're all quarantined at home. I should be able to work out 8 hours in one day, right? Right? So I'm gonna schedule that in. I'm also gonna schedule filming, editing, making dinner, cleaning, spending time with my kids, making my baby's puree, having family time. Don't forget my gardening. I have to wash the car too. I think I could all squeeze that all in one day. That's setting unrealistic expectations. I know that was a bit dramatic, but we do it every day. We make a giant to-do list that we can never accomplish in one day and then get disappointed when we don't finish it. You have to set limits and realistic expectations, and not just when you're trying to lose weight, in your life in general. Haley, come down, I have your gummies.
Can you open it for me?
Sure. I guess the diet starts Monday.
Mom.
Number 7, resetting your entire diet to a Monday. First off, diets could start whenever you want. They don't have to start on a Monday. They could start, bam, right now. Lifestyle change. Bam, look at that. Is it Monday? Well, it's Monday, but that's beyond the point. And just because you have a bad meal, just because, for example, you went out with your girlfriends and you said, I'm only gonna have 1 cocktail because that's all the calories that I'm allowed to have, and then you end up having 5, and then you're like, I'm drunk and I went over my calorie intake. Does not mean you have to start again on Monday. I guess I messed up that meal. I'll try better next time. Don't get disencouraged. Don't feel like you have to reset this imaginary button. All you have to do is do better next time.
Hey, do you guys want some ice cream?
Yes, I want bubblegum.
I'm on the no sugar, dairy-free, keto, Atkins, paleo zone raw diet. Do they have anything for that? Do you think he left? I don't...
Yeah.
Do you think he's gonna bring me ice cream?
I don't know.
Number 8, the crazy diets. They are crazy. Not all of them, of course. Some are actually really good if you follow the steps correctly. You really need to make it a lifestyle change. You can't like join like Atkins and then just say, I'm gonna do it until I lose weight and then I'm gonna go back to eating the way I was. That's not gonna work. If you're gonna do Atkins, you kind of have to continue doing it all the time. You need to, whatever changes you are doing to make you lose weight and maintain it, have to be considered a lifestyle change. You're gonna have to do it and keep doing it. You can't just think, oh, I'm gonna do this until this date and then just go back to eating how I wanted to eat. It's not gonna work. You're just gonna gain all the weight back. I am in the middle of what I think is one of the craziest diets. I am not gonna say what diet it is. It's for a video. Celebrities know best. I will give you guys a hint. Hello? If you don't know from that, you'll never know. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are starting a weight loss journey, please comment down below. Let me know what lifestyle changes you guys are making to your life. I'm really enjoying this whole weight loss journey segment that I've started, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. Again, like always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.